Today's recipe, lovelies, is rice shrimps bowl, healthy rice shrimps bowl. Okay, if this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my returning subscribers. First step I'll take is to introduce 600 milliliter of water to a pot and bring it to boil, and then I have 200 gram of basmati rice. I am going for basmati rice, one, because it smells good, it has a superb consistency that I need for this rice bowl. I don't need sauce to pure this with to pure basmati rice. Okay, so now that my water is cooking, I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then to the boiling water I'm going to introduce my clean basmati rice inside, cover up and let it cook. It does not take much time to cook, so we are going to cook on a very low heat. All the ingredients for this rice bowl is listed out in the description box. I have 2 carrots. I'm going to give it a peel and cut in a julienne form. When my carrot is done, I'm going to set aside and grab my cucumber, clean cucumber, and then I'll cut in a half and peel off some part of the skin. I will then use a vegetable peeler to scrape down to have that form that I want for my rice bowl. If you want, you can cut however you wish, however form you want to have for your cucumber. So if I'm done, I will then set aside. I'm going to leave the inner part of my cucumber for another use, and then check on my rice is almost good to go. Like I told you guys, it smells amazing and the consistency is super delicious. So I'm still going to cover up again and let it completely dry up. After some minutes, my rice have completely dried up, so I am going to set aside and kind of in a way marinate my carrots, because I just want to take off that hard bite while enjoying your meal, just not to have a raw one but still leave it fresh. Okay, just add small amount of olive oil on your pan and then toast your carrot here and there, season with just a pinch of salt. Just some minutes and your carrot is ready to set aside. So guys, my carrot wasn't more than 1 to 2 minutes in my pan, so I'm going to set aside, letting it remain very fresh. Okay, so it's time to cook our hard soft egg. While cooking your hard soft egg, you're going to boil your water first. Let your water come to boiling, just see that bubble in your water, and then add in your egg and let it cook. Gently add in your egg without letting it crack or break. Okay, so and then cover up and cook not more than 6 minutes. All we need for this egg is to let the yolk remain soft, not overcooking the yolk. Okay, so cover up and cook just 6 minutes. I'm going to add in some ice cube to a bowl, to a water bowl, and then the moment your egg is finished, Anything more than 6 minutes will be overcooked. So 6 minutes, you're going to transfer your egg in a ice bowl water, okay, and let it cool down. Lastly, to prep for this rice bowl, we are going to make our shrimps. Okay, just add some amount of olive oil to your preheated pan and brown your shrimps. We're not going to do this on a high heat, just on a medium low heat, so we don't overcook our shrimps. So add in and let it cook for not more than 1 to 2 minutes. After about 1 minute, I'm going to flip to the other side and continue to cook for just 1 minute more. And then I will season with some chopped or pressed garlic. You actually want to stir this to prevent your garlic from getting burned. And then I want to season with some chili flakes. My chili flakes came with some stone salt, some little stone salt, okay? So there is no need to season again with salt because you already have salt in your chili flakes. So stir in here and there, and you're going to add in some butter cube, okay? This butter will give it that tender, amazing taste. The moment your butter have well dissolved, you're going to turn back the heat. Turn up the heat because the heat from the pan is enough to carry all through until you are done with this. And then you're going to add in some sliced basil, or you can go for dry one or maybe frozen one. I am going for fresh basil. Add in, stir here and there, and then you're going to add in just a drop of water to release all those flavor from the bottom of the pan, and we will be ready to plate. Okay guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so. Hit the notification bell and you will be the first to be notified each time I post a video once a week. I also have other interesting recipe. I'm sure there's always something for everyone, okay? So check out for more recipes on my channel, okay? Thank you so much guys. It's time to plate. We have prepped everything. So my rice is ready, has its own super taste. The shrimps is ready. I have avocado, I have my boiled egg, carrot, and my cucumber. Okay, so I'm going to grab a bowl or a plate and plate everything as I wish to have it. Do you sometimes feel like you are tired of having the same meal every time? This bowl is just super for you. It's full of vitamins and the daily desires vitamin. It's all in here. You will get all here, I tell you guys. So please don't forget to like, okay? Leave your comment down below. See what this old bowl looks like. It looks beautiful. It tasted amazing. I tell you, everything was well marinated. The carrots, the shrimps, the rice has its amazing taste. This egg came with its softness, you know, the yolk inside, it's soft, and the avocado is soft, so everything was so kind of creamy and delicious guys. It's a vitamin bomb, I tell you. So go for it and you will be happy with yourself the whole day. See you in my next one guys. Bye for now.